Welcome back to Grilling with Grove. My name is Austin, and today what I've got going for you is a pork loin sandwich. Not a pork tenderloin sandwich, but a pork loin sandwich. So where I'm at right now, they don't have tenderloins, but they do have loins. So what I did was I cut the loin up and I smashed it out, and then I breaded it and fried it, and we're going to build the sandwich. So stick around and I'll show you how I do that. So we've got some seasoned flour here, and I went ahead and put some It's Incredible. So I'm just going to stir that up, and then we're going to go in with the pork tenderloins. So we've got our pork tenderloins, and the next step in the process is to flour them. So I've got some seasoned flour, and I went in with some Heaven Made Products It's Incredible. So now what you want to do is just take it from your bag and let the excess marinade kind of drip off. And then we're just going to carefully lay it in here, and then just put the flour on top, pat it in, and then flip it over and do the same thing. So I'll get back to you when all that is done. We've checked the temperature of this oil, and it's at about 350. So we're going to go ahead and put our first loin in there. So when you're doing this, always make sure that you lay away. Here's our sandwich plate, and I'm pretty basic for this sandwich. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first go on with some white barbecue sauce. So this is a mayonnaise-based sauce that has some spices to include smoked paprika and chipotle chili powder. After that, we're just gonna go ahead and build it with our vegetables, a little bit of lettuce, some tomatoes, and a couple of pickles. And then our sandwich. And as you can see, it's been resting for a little bit, but it has a nice crunchy golden crust. It is almost the perfect size for a bun. And I'm gonna get this sliced up for you so you can take a look at the inside. Here's a look at our loin sandwich. And I can tell you when I cut this open, that loin was definitely juicy. It's hot and it's crunchy. So let's go ahead and get to the taste test. All right, we're back for the taste test. Got a good little sandwich here. That is a very good sandwich. It really reminds me of home. I love how tender that loin came out. Even though it wasn't the tenderloin, that marinade really broke it down. So definitely overnight for the marinade. The sauce, the barbecue sauce with that, went really well. So I imagine that it would go well with anything that you fry. The pickles had a nice crunch. The lettuce and tomatoes were fresh. So definitely happy with how that sandwich turned out. It's a perfect little lunch meal. Real quick and easy too. It's just the overnight marinade that you do have to prepare for. All right, everyone, if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and then hit that bell for notifications, and you won't miss us on another one. All right, cheers.